He went to school with me, Key. Yeah, we went to Polk State. Yeah. Yeah, we Polk State together. I gave him my book, my math book. Yeah, that math wasn't no joke. Man. Queens of fashion in the house, y'all. Y'all better know it. Yes, right. The number one. Let me see if we get that. Boom.
I shop at Queens.
That's right. Tell them how they can reach you.
Right now, I'm at 320 East Summerlin Street, Bartow, or you can visit my website, www.queensfashionsandgifts.com.
All right, y'all heard that. Go see her, check her out. And I got my main man here also wholesaling. Tell them how they can get. You want to get a deal? What you want to do?
Here we go. Mom's Enterprises, 863-354-0073.
All right. Sabrina, how can they reach you if the ladies want to know how to invest in their own single family house?
863-205-1307.
All right. What's up? Aaron is in the house. Hey, go Aaron, Kurt. Yeah. See these guys right here, man. Kurt, and I got my main man, Key. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it. These are the ones who made it happen up in here. And I can't forget Sean. Lake Wells. She ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna get out of her face. She got that gator hat on. Hey, look, man, you too quiet back here, man. You ain't got the stash? Big bro, what you think, man? Hey, man, get this guy right here. That guy right there. I ain't did nothing. I just wrote a check.
He did all the work.
That guy right there did the floors. He did that right there. Guy did contracted everything.
Good job.
He took a lot of money from me too, man. Oh! He sure is, y'all. He trying to get paid out today. Aaron right here, this is the man who did the tile, the backsplash in the kitchen. Show him what you did. Show him real quick, Aaron. Come on now. Take him around, show him your work now. Come on. Show him what you did. You did these the tile floor? Yeah. Aaron, you didn't know it's gonna be staged like this, did you?
Looking nice.
Real nice. Hey, look at Radford Home marketing manager behind you. That's the marketing manager right there. He did the floors, the tile. Yeah, he did the tile and he did the backsplash. He did the bathroom tile too. Yeah, that's right. He did the bathroom tile. He did all of that.
Y'all did a great job.
Hey, Aaron. Hey, Miss Aaron. Can we get you to take a picture with your husband?